I've never had anyone do mascara before eyeshadow. That was new. I've never had, like, hey, that was, I don't know where you learned that one from, but I've never seen such a tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shiko. If it's your first time here, you're very much welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. As you can see today, I have a cute, amazing guest. So today's video is a bit different. In case you didn't know, I'm a makeup artist and I also offer makeup lessons. So today, this was my beautiful client. I was teaching her how to do her own makeup, and I of course shared some clips and some tips with you guys. So keep on watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and let's get straight into it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So guys, I'm joined by a beautiful lady here today. Her name is Dolly.
Hi guys.
Most of you wonder, do you really need makeup classes when there are numerous videos on YouTube about how you can do makeup? Do you think you can do your own makeup by just watching a tutorial?
I think I can do. I think I can do my own makeup.
And it will be nice, like flawless.
Yes. I think it will be flawless. Yeah.
Okay. She really doesn't get why pay for makeup classes and YouTube is free, you know. And I know some of you relate to her, but I'm still for the notion that one class is not bad to just perfect those skills. So today I'm gonna put you on the test.
Okay.
I want you to create a flawless look. Nice eyebrows. I'm sure you've watched a million videos on how to do eyebrows. Yes, I want to see nice eyebrows. And then a simple, like a look that you'd wear to work, neutral, nudish makeup. From there, we'll see if it's really true that you can learn to do your makeup from just watching tutorials. Here is the setup. I've put all the products that she needs here. And she also has some of her products zenye amezoea siseme ni zangu mbaya. And yeah, she's getting ready to beat her face, and we will see what she can do. So just be here watching Dolly do her thing. Yeah, so let us see your skills.
Yeah, so guys, this is my foundation. Let's see. Good. We are done with the foundation.
You're done. I can't see it.
You can see. It's here.
Like that's your
Yes.
Wow.
This is how I normally wear my foundation.
Okay.
Then I'm done.
Let's continue.
Yes. Then next, I wear this is face powder. This one I normally use the brush. So I use this brush.
Cute brush.
Oh, thank you.
How long does it take to do your makeup? I think at this rate it takes you 5 minutes.
5 minutes, 10 minutes on the maximum. Yeah, so we are done with the face powder. Now I have to eyebrows. I normally use this. So this is a Dolly Pinky product, though I'm not selling them at the moment, but I'll stock them soon.
Oh my god.
Oh, my skills so far.
Like, I'm just shocked. I'm shocked. But I still have faith. Like, I'm a faith person. So I'm just waiting to see the end result. Maybe it will magically, maybe magic to happen. But no,
God.
Seriously, Dolly. But no, usicheze. Do nice makeup.
This is actually what I normally do. So
So you filled in your brows?
yes. So we are done with the brows. Yes.
How long have you been watching YouTube videos?
For a while now. Then this is mascara.
Black mascara.
Yeah.
For what?
For my
Brows.
no.
Uh.
For my.
You've
eyes.
not done eyeshadow.
You're supposed to do the eyeshadow first.
Oh
Okay, guys.
my She wants to do mascara before eyeshadow. Okay, you know what? Do your thing. Assume I'm not here. I'm not. My name is Mimi.
Oh my god.
Maybe I'm gonna learn a new skill.
I can't believe I'm this. You know, I normally think that my skills are so top notch. So I'm so shocked.
Wow.
God.
You have nice lashes, for sure.
Oh,
And that's
thank
a nice
you.
mascara.
What is missing?
I'm just waiting to see the eyeshadow.
You're done with the mascara.
It's eyeshadow time. What a cute palette.
Eyeshadow. This is another disaster. Okay, this is where I normally struggle a lot.
You struggle with eyeshadow?
Yes.
Okay.
So I'll just do the little that I normally do. So this.
You're doing 2 colors.
Yes. Good.
What is left?
Oh,
Okay,
the lips-
finish
the lips.
up the look.
Yes.
I'm refraining from commenting at this point.
Yes. So now the lipsticks.
It's cute. I love the color. And I love the texture. I can see the texture from here.
Thanks. So this one is from Dolly Pinky.
Dolly Pinky Beauty. It's
And
actually
guys.
kind of cute. So you're done.
Yes, I'm done.
Nothing else. No setting. By the way, you didn't even use a primer or setting spray.
Oh. Okay, maybe I really need these classes then.
You don't use a primer or setting spray
No.
to do your makeup.
Mm-mm.
Guys, what do you
Guilty?
think? What do you think of the look, guys? You followed all her steps. What do you think? Are you one of this kind of makeup looks? I actually really love the lipstick. The mascara has really done its job. Like, your lashes are popping.
Oh.
I don't know what was the point of applying foundation because I really can't see it. Did you guys notice she didn't even use an eyeshadow base? Like, Ali applied 2 eyeshadow. She just applied the eyeshadow on her lids, just like that. No concealer, no nothing.
Wait, I'm supposed to use what?
Yeah,
For the eyeshadow?
you're supposed to have like a base before you place the eyeshadow. You're supposed to use a lighter concealer. Because you see now, the eyeshadow is struggling to be seen. Well, it's supposed to pop. You guys are gonna see the difference when I'm showing her the techniques. I love the lipstick, though it could be a bit more precise than that, like the application of it.
Okay.
I've never had anyone do mascara before eyeshadow. That was new. I've never had, like, hey, that was, I don't know where you learned that one from, but I've never seen such a tutorial. Hiyo ni yako umejitengenezea.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, these are just my skills that I normally think are like the perfect skills because when I watch on it, okay, I'm not saying that I watch this exact look on YouTube, but I'm
The
trying
skills
to
you've gathered.
the skills that I've been watching. So I'm trying to use them together
And I
Clearly,
think also from what I've seen, you don't like a lot of makeup. You like a
Yes,
neutral,
subtle,
subtle look. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show her how to create a beautiful, flawless look. So keep it locked.
okay.
But first, we're gonna clean this up. Let me not call it a
Oh
mess,
my
but
God.
we're gonna clean this up and start from a good base. First, you've cleansed your face. What have you used?
Oh yeah, I use this. It's
My rose.
It's a facial. It's my rose. Yeah.
My rose purifying face wash. So guys, always start with a clean face and always use a cleanser to wash your face to remove all the dirt. Then what are you doing next?
So now this is a face cream, so I'm moisturizing. Yeah.
At least you do good skincare. But I normally say skincare is even better than makeup, because you won't do makeup every day of your life, but you have your plain face every day of your life. So you want your face to look amazing, and you only achieve that by investing in a proper skincare routine. Form of skincare videos, I'll leave a link here so that you guys can watch. So your face is set. I see you have kind of bushy brows. I'd love to trim them a bit, so that it will be easier. Have you ever trimmed before?
Yeah, I normally trim them. It's only that's been a while.
Watch the next video for part 2 to see how Dolly managed to create this look after our class. Thank you for watching.